Hi, welcome to the University of Georgia. My name is Christine Groft, and I am the Communications Manager here at the University Health Center. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a virtual tour of the Health Center facility, as we could not do that here in person. But I also want to share with you all the amazing services that we have to offer to support you here while you're in Athens and while you're here at UGA. Without further ado, let's get started on our virtual tour. So thank you for going on that tour with me. I just want to reiterate some of the reasons why you would want to visit the health center. One, we are an integrated medical specialty and wellness care facility with all of our services under one roof. Secondly, we have easy scheduling. You'll see that there's a UHC patient portal that you can access through our website, which is the uhs.uga.edu. And when you go in there, you can communicate with your doctor, upload your immunization forms, ask questions, and of course, schedule any appointments that you may need. But please, if you don't find an appointment, don't hesitate to pick up the phone because we will make sure we get you in. And then finally, the affordable access. Every student that comes to the UGA pays the UGA student health fee, and it affords our students unlimited visits with our primary medical care facilities. What that means is if you're sick or you want to talk about stress or you're concerned, about staying on prevention, you have family that may have heart disease and you just want to make sure you have a good physical. All of those type of interactions with our primary care facility, by making an appointment, in that typical situation, you would have no out-of-pocket costs for the primary care interaction with the doctor. We do charge additional fees for the prescriptions, any procedures that may occur or labs that may occur in that visit. But your office visit and your consultation with the primary care provider is waived. And also you'll note that we have a new installation in there. It's called the Integrated Behavioral Health Care, and we have a person designated in each of our clinics now that should you be showing some signs of stress or you really want to talk to somebody about maintaining stress, we are able to hand off right there in the same space to a CAPS professional instead of having to make an appointment with CAPS outside. But this is a great way to get in there and have a consultation and discussion around what the resources are that are available to help maintain your health. So we talked a lot about the health care and the physical side and being sick. Let's talk about specialty care. So all these other specialty care services are available under our roof, which is amazing. Dental, vision, women's clinic, physical therapy, massage, allergy travel, and our pharmacy and our lab and radiology stay open an extra hour till 6 p.m. to ensure that all labs and all prescriptions have been filled for our patients of that day. Next, I want to talk about our wellness program. You'll probably see a lot more from our health promotion department and our Fontaine Center. They are the hosts primarily of our Be Well UGA platform, and we have an amazing relationship with the graduate school. We've developed some programs specifically for graduate students and what they may be enduring at that time. So please check in with your advisors or in the graduate school and the dean's office about those programs that are available. But also check out the website, and we'll make sure it's listed that it says for graduate students. Thing to note in here is the wellness coaching. Wellness coaching is an accountability partner, and this is a free service. I highly recommend it. If you're feeling stressed about just socially, physical, it could be academic, anything, this wellness coach will work with you to create milestones and goals and be your accountability partner to make sure you achieve those. And as you can see, this is only a small listing of the programs we have available in Be Well UGA. During this time, we've also created a platform called Be Well UGA at Home, which is also accessed through this platform. So please check it out if you're interested in doing virtual yoga, mindfulness, art classes, we have it. So please check it out. Your wellness is very important to us. And so in that same frame, we have our counseling and psychiatric services, CAPS for short. They are a short-term model, and we work with students from point A to point B on their road to life success. And sometimes we need to refer out to other resources, primarily when that short term may be up and there's a student may be needing some additional care. So we work with them through that transition process and assure that the student is happy with where they are. Additionally, we have group counseling. We have some great group counseling programs as well for graduate students. Please check that out. They are specific to graduate students' needs. And then additionally, we have that 24/7 hotline there. That's available anytime should you need us. And then finally, I just want to make sure you're staying in touch with us or staying in tune to all the stuff that we have to offer at the health center. Here's our social media platform. We also are available via phone as well as online through our contact at uhs.uga.edu and our social media handle at UGA Health Center. And you should be receiving, hopefully, in the next week, a mandatory module from UGA regarding COVID and how to return safely to campus. Please make sure you look out for that, and please make sure you take the time to go through that thoroughly and understand all of our parts to make sure and maintain and keep our campus healthy. I look forward to seeing you. If you need anything, I am here for you. Please contact me. Thank you.